everyone, I'm the teacher mom and today we're gonna do the waves in cursive. This is how your cursive is gonna look. It's so pretty. I love to write cursive and so are you gonna love it soon. Just keep practicing. So let's start with the curves. You remember the basic curves? So it's time to make them the under curve. Pull it down, the down curve, connector, under curve, down curve. Keep practicing the waves. I'm gonna draw the smaller waves one more time and then we go to the bigger ones. Under curve, down curve, connector, under curve, down curve, connector. That is, you keep going up and pulling the stroke down there. Next is the larger version of it. Keep practicing. Cursive slants towards your right, so try to slant it towards your right, but not too much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.